We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I am going to show you how to change your toner cartridge on an HP P2015. So first thing is, go ahead and there's a button right here. Press that and it'll open your front cover. Then here, this is your toner cartridge. Go ahead and pull on that handle. Just pull it up and out gently. Set your old one to the side. Unbox your new toner. Get it ready to put in, and then you're just going to follow your guides over here on the side. Once you hear it click, you know it's in. Then just shut your front cover. Your printer should then start to initialize. This printer takes a 53A toner cartridge. That's the only yield that it has for this printer. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.